Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Today I want to show how to solve this stepper motor movings problem. Okay, first I check the problem. Okay, like this. When I want to check this, it's have like this moving. It's really bad moving, not normal. If you check, you understand. So okay, for solving this problem, be with me and we will solve this stepper motors problem. For solving this problem, we should use jumper on pins under this driver. Okay, I take off one of this driver and show you. We have these pins and we should use jumper on these pins and jump these two pins together like this map I show. We should use jumper. Okay, I install jumper and we test it again. I have this jumper and I want to install them on the board. Okay, I want to show first. We should use jumper like this for driver. Okay, I complete them and show you after that. I install these jumpers and under the driver. I don't have jumper, but I find from old motherboard and old CD-RAM and hard drive. I find them. So now I go and install this driver and we check it again. So after we put jumper and install the driver, we want to check it. Okay, go to motion, move like this. Okay, no, it's smoothly move very smoothly and solve this problem.